Welcome back to our Facebook page again today. Now, today we have something kind of special going on. We're going to kind of put bugs aside for a little while and talk about, this is April 2016, and this is Killroy's 60th anniversary this month. What a special month this is going to be for us. Now, way back in 1956, Phil and Norma Olavarri started this small business, and it's been a staple in the Campbell community ever since. But I thought, to tell you about this story, maybe I should talk to the person that was actually there and can tell you a hands-on experience with it. So I'd like to introduce you to you guys, the CEO, president, and current owner, and the daughter of Phil and Norma, Miss Lynn Olavarri-Schmidt. Thanks, Lynn, for joining us today. Now, I understand, if I remember the story right, you didn't actually start here on Dell Avenue, you started at your house, is it?
Yeah, Mom and Dad started the business in the spring of 1956 with nothing. A rig that my dad pulled behind on an old truck. Mom would make the calls from the kitchen and send out the bills from the kitchen, and Dad would walk up and down the streets and see if he could find customers who needed ant sprayed. The reason that we moved from that location to another location was Dad grew about a truck a year until it looked something like this, in which case the neighbors began to complain because there were just too many red trucks parked along the street. So that's when they decided to move and find a place, and ultimately we landed here on Dell Avenue.
And when did we come to Dell Avenue? What year was that?
So I was like in 1962. There was a short time that we had an office on Bascom Avenue.
Okay, that's great, that's great. Now we jump into today in 2016, and I just have two questions for you, Lynn. What has been your greatest obstacle you've had to tackle while you're being a business owner, and what's been your greatest reward?
Probably when we first landed in the shoes of owners, the biggest problem was collecting our team. It does take a village, like has been said. And so collecting our team was our first priority, finding experts who could help us in financing, internet, website development, marketing, advertising, vehicle leasing and purchasing, 401k, all those things I didn't have the expertise in, and
Right.
we went out to find it, and we have quite a wonderful team that works with us now.
Yeah, I can vouch for that. I've been here myself for 27 years, and the organization that Lynn has brought to the company has been hands down changed everything for the positive. So I know I appreciate that as a tech. Now, unfortunately, last year we lost Phil, but he made it, what, 93 years was it?
97.
97 years. I mean,
Mom and Dad, yeah.
What a ride. But even though we lost Phil, he's left a legacy behind. He, like I said, this business is a community staple in the community, not just Campbell, but the surrounding cities as well. So we want to give a happy anniversary to Lynn, her mom, all the Killroy family, all the people that have come through the Killroy doors. We want to say happy anniversary to all you guys, and hope for another decades of Killroy being around.
Oh, absolutely, another 60. Yes.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah.
More generations coming, I'm telling you. So anyway, thanks, Lynn, I know you're busy, and so taking the time for being with us today. And for everybody out there, thanks again for joining us, and we will talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.